Yo, ha ha. Never said.
What is good, YouTube? Your boy Magnificent coming back with another quick video. And today, my son will share with you his experience with EZXM and their ARC support custom insoles. So as someone who's always playing sports, he needs to take care of his feet. And that's why I decided to try out EZXM's insole. But let me tell you, it's a game changer. So not only do they alleviate foot pain and the plantar fasciitis, but they also provide excellent foot and heel protection for sports and fitness activities. Plus, they correct overpronation and supination issues, helping him to avoid injuries and stay on top of his game. The best part? EZXM insoles are custom made fit perfectly. The high quality materials and exceptional craftsmanship ensure maximum comfort and support. You know what? I highly, and I mean highly, recommend EZXM's ARC support custom insoles to anyone who wants to take better care of their feet and improve their overall foot health. So, if you're in the market for some amazing insoles, give EZXM a try and you won't regret it. So, sit back and relax. And we're actually going to show you a demo of how to assemble, at least put this together, so that you're getting the maximum custom fit for your shoe. These insoles will likely improve your stance and also replace the old or the existing default insole that comes with most shoes. So, my son will be here. We're going to demo this. Sit back and relax and enjoy.
All right, YouTube. So we have EZXM Senthmetic. Got the package that came right here. And basically, you'll see right here, it'll show you if you can jump higher or run longer. And that's really due to the actual cosmetic of the design. It's not necessarily just, you're using your individual inability to do something. It's just basically compensating for your foot pressure as you're applying it to the floor, or at least the insole of your shoe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this bad boy up so you can see exactly what's inside and how it's packaged. One of the things I do recommend, if you can, I have something like, you can see right here, it's like a Senthmetic bath massager. If you have one of these, this will be useful, especially when you have to customize these insoles and how to do it. As you're seeing my son actually trying to do it himself. So it comes pre-sealed this way, and it's like that for a reason. I'll get to that momentarily. I'm going to take the rest of this out. Here's the second insole, and then we're also going to take out the actual mat along with the instructions. So this is basically what you're looking at when you're looking at the package of the EZXM insole. You'll notice that when you take it out, it'll say heat it down like this way. And then you'll see, a message on here that says, 25 seconds package insole. See right there, 25 seconds package insole and heat, or at least hot water to heat. And basically the whole concept is, if you want the best out of your insole, you need to customize it to your fitting. And it depends on the pressure of your foot. So usually when you lay flat on your foot, it has different types of measurements. I'm going to show you exactly, or at least different types of flat style. So what I'm going to do is actually open up this mat so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So when your foot applies pressure on the ground, there's different types of foot impressions. And as I'm opening this up, I want you guys to see this. So this is called the ARC detection tool. And the idea is that you're going to take your foot and you want to slightly soak it, but you don't want it to be dripping wet. So you want it to be wet enough in order to make an impression on both sides of this mat. And the reason why is because it's going to reveal the type of foot that you actually have in terms of the structure. So if you basically, for instance, if you make this type of print, that'll be considered put this right here, that'll be considered a normal print. This type of print indicates that you have a high arc foot. This type of print, slightly flat foot, a flat foot, and severe flat foot. And again, it's all depending on your structure and how you are, basically standing and kind of doing your day-to-day, right? So yeah, the first thing you want to do, again, soak your foot with water. You're going to put your feet on both sides, as my son's illustrating. And then again, it's going to reveal whether you have these type of foot styles. Now, after you do that, what you want to do is you're going to take some boiling hot water. And this is where the massager comes in handy. Let me put this to the side. You're going to take some boiling hot water and put it in something like this, because this is actually deep enough. Let me just adjust this real quick. This is deep enough for you to do this, right? So the idea is that I'm going to take the insole, right, and where it says heat down, I'm going to dip it inside here, just like 2/3, 1/4 of the way of hot water. And you're going to do that for about 25 seconds, or depending on the type of foot style you have. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because as you're doing it, it actually does say on the box right here the amount of times, needed for the actual boiling point. 25 seconds by standards, basically just what you're looking at is the sole of your foot, right? So basically kind of like right in this area, because this is where it's actually hardened. You don't want to take this out of the plastic bag, or at least the plastic sealing wrap just yet, because after you dip it in the boiling hot water for about 25 seconds, what the idea is that you're going to take this, slip it into your shoe, and basically you're going to try to kind of get a feel of it, kind of get used to it, because it's the first time you're putting a customized insole into your shoe. So once you do that, you're basically going to kind of like take your foot, go against the wall, and kind of bend the insole and try to mold it even more into the shoe so that you can feel like a natural feeling once you slide into your shoe with the insole. So your boy Magnificent Man, hopefully this video is a kind of like a quick lesson of how to actually set everything up. I feel like everything is pretty good, but I do like the fact that everything is packaged for us to understand, the structure of our foot and the build when you're actually trying to customize your insole. Normally you get an insole, they'll tell you to just cut it and put it inside the shoe, but you're not really understanding how to measure, or at least how to identify the type of foot structure that you have. So your boy Magnificent Man, I am out. This is the EZXM Senthmetic. I'll leave a description in the link below so you can kind of take a look at the whole product line, because there are different types of insoles used, one for like sports, walking, even hiking. So you have different types of athletic abilities, different types of insoles for you. Your boy Magnificent, I am out. You guys, stay blessed.